All right, let's get right into it. Ever wonder what the single most profitable niche on YouTube is? I mean, the topics that advertisers are just falling over themselves to pay top dollar for? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain and diving headfirst into the world of YouTube finance. So, how much money are we actually talking about here? For finance content aimed at a US audience, the RPM, that's your revenue per mil, or what you make for every 1,000 views, is typically anywhere from 10 to 25 bucks. And honestly, it's often way higher. To put that into perspective, that's easily double, sometimes even triple what you'd see in, say, a gaming or lifestyle niche. It's not just good money, it's a total game changer. So what's the secret to unlocking all that potential? It's right here. It's not about some complex, boring theory. It's all about authenticity. People, they crave real numbers and true stories. Just think about a video titled something like, How I Crushed $20,000 in Debt in Just 1 Year. That's the stuff that really connects with people. And guess what? It's exactly what advertisers want to be associated with. All right, so think of this as your treasure map. We're going to walk through the exact paths to capitalize on this ridiculously high-paying niche, covering everything from active income plays to the secrets of earning passively. First up on our map, let's check out the most direct routes to the money. We're talking about active income streams, the kind where you trade your skills and your time for immediate cash. And the best part? These make for absolutely amazing, evergreen video ideas. Okay, just take a second and look at these numbers. I mean, you can make videos about tutoring for the SATs or coaching someone on budgeting and pulling in up to 45 bucks an hour. But get this, searches for social media manager business have exploded by a crazy 367%. Can you imagine making a whole series on that? The audience is literally already there, just waiting for someone to show them how. Building on that, let's talk about how content creation itself can be a direct line to cash. The huge trend right now, it's called YouTube automation. Basically, you're creating videos without ever showing your face. And with a CPM between $15 and $45, it is ridiculously profitable. Or, hey, maybe writing's more your thing. A single article can bag you anywhere from 50 to 150 bucks. Not bad, right? E-commerce is another massive territory on our map, and there are really two main ways in. So the question is, which path is for you? Well, if you're starting with basically zero cash, print-on-demand is an amazing, no-risk way to go. But if you've got a little money to invest and you're chasing those bigger profit margins, we're talking up to 50% commission, then yeah, dropshipping might be your ticket. And why is this whole e-commerce thing such a wide-open field? Well, it's simple. Over 85% of Americans are shopping online. Think about what that means for you. It means that even a super specific niche, like selling rare plants or custom-made ceramics, has a potential audience of millions. All you gotta do is create the content that leads them right to your online shop. Okay, we've covered the active stuff. Now let's get to the holy grail, making money while you sleep. These are the clever shortcuts on our map, the streams of income that are working for you 24/7. Take reselling, for example. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a full-blown content machine. You can literally film the whole journey with this super simple 3-step process. You're turning your thrift store hauls into a fun, shoppable live event for your viewers. It's a business and a video series all rolled into one. And hey, don't sleep on the small stuff. Micro gigs, like YouTube Shorts, are perfect for this. Think about it. You can make these quick 30-second videos about a savings challenge or share a really emotional story about a financial win. Slap on a hashtag like #passive-income, and boom, you could have a viral hit on your hands. Okay, so what's really key here is understanding how these different income streams work. But the real magic, it's in digital products. I mean, you create a budget spreadsheet or a mini course one time, and you can sell it forever. Just imagine, you make a killer budgeting template on Canva and sell it for 10 bucks. If just 1,000 people buy it, that's 10 grand in passive income from one single file. How awesome is that? All right, this is it. This is the X marks the spot on our treasure map. We've looked at all the paths, but this is the treasure chest itself. If you want the absolute highest earnings possible, these are the exact sub-niches you need to be focusing on. We call these popcorn themes. And why is that? Because they are totally bite-sized, super addictive, and just perfect for short videos. They're emotional, sometimes mind-blowing, and you can easily make them into really powerful faceless content. So what are we talking about? Think about it. Videos showing how to turn your Amex points into a first-class flight, or analyzing high dividend stocks like Realty Income. How about revealing tax secrets by literally zooming in on a Schedule C form? Or even documenting a crazy challenge to save 10 grand in 90 days? I'm telling you, these topics are pure gold. And this right here shows another format that goes viral like crazy, the battle video. You basically pit two complicated financial products against each other, like a 401k versus an IRA, or term versus whole life insurance. It is such a popular and super effective way to explain confusing stuff and pull in a massive, really engaged audience. Okay, so we've got the map. We know exactly where the treasure is buried. Now let's talk about the secret weapon, the one thing that pulls this all together and helps you go viral like starting today. This secret is YouTube automation. It's a really simple but powerful formula. You just combine some high-quality stock footage with an AI voiceover and a script you get from a tool like ChatGPT. It's such an easy way for basically anyone to start making professional, high-paying videos without ever having to get in front of a camera. And right here, this is your perfect template for going viral. A totally mind-blowing before and after story that you can tell in 30 seconds. A hook like this is super specific, it's dramatic, and it promises a valuable secret. It's pretty much impossible to just scroll past that. So what's the very first step on your journey? It's actually super simple. Just make one short 2 or 3 minute faceless video using one of those popcorn themes we talked about, and upload it. That's it. You've got to start somewhere, and trust me, the results will come. Why? Because this niche is, without a doubt, the king of CPM. So that brings us to the end of our map. But really, for you, it's just the beginning. The only question left is, what powerful, high-earning topic are you going to choose for your very first